Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is the no debt allowed portfolio where all the companies in it have no debt. Current portfolio, blah, 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 blah. Current portfolio value is $243.78, and I have $1.55 sitting in cash. I've only deposited $225, which means we are currently up by $18.78, or 8.35%. Doing great, doing great. Dividends, we have earned $2.54, and we were paid, let's make sure this is correct, yes. We were paid $1.44 in February and $1.31 in January for a total of $2.75. Dividend changes, there's been none, and since I haven't deposited anything, there's been no changes here. We're still producing about $10.13 a year in dividends, getting a 4.5% return in dividends. So between 4.5% in dividends, 8.35% in capital gains, we are doing pretty good on the no debt allowed portfolio. All right, guys, I hope you're all doing well, and I will see you in the next portfolio update video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.